Everyone, welcome back to StackIVA software solution. In this video, I will show you how to create a stunning animated neon button effect using just HTML and CSS. We are going to go line by line so you understand exactly how everything works. Let's get started. First, let's set up our HTML file. At the very top, we write First, let's set up our HTML file. So this is a basic structure for every HTML page. As you can see on your screen, inside the head tag we set the character according to UTF-8, so all text is displayed properly. Then we add a viewport meta tag so the design work on all screen sizes including mobile. And finally we give the page a title, in this case neon button. Then we move forward to CSS styling, and this goes inside the style tag. We will write our CSS. Let's go through it step by step. Here we style the body. We use flexbox to center everything both vertically and horizontally. The page takes the full viewport height with 100 VH. The background is set to dark gauge black, and we use a clean sans serif font for text. Now for the heading. It's a large white title with bold text. We add some spacing below it and a soft glowing effect using text shadow. Then in the body we are adding a heading and a button with our button class. Here is our button class. We give it a padding, rounded edges with border radius, and a dark background. The text is white, bold and clickable. We remove any border or outlines and ensure effect don't spill outside the button. Position allows us to use pseudo elements later. This is where the magic happens. We use a before pseudo element to create the glowing neon border. It is placed slightly outside the button using negative top, left, right and bottom values. We apply a rainbow gradient that goes from red, orange, yellow, lime, cyan, blue, magenta and black to red. The after pseudo element acts as a mask. It covers the inside of the button with the same dark background, so only the glowing border remains visible. This makes the neon effect look clean. Background makes a gradient extra wide, and then we animate it using neon move keyframes. Finally, filter give that soft glowing look. Now for the animation. The gradient slowly moves from left to right, giving that flowing neon effect around the button border. Hover effect. And finally, the hover effect: when you hover over the button, the text changes to a bright cyan color and glows using multiple layers of text shadow. That's it. Now when you open this in your browser, you will see a smooth glowing neon button with a beautiful animated rainbow border and a hover glow effect on the text. You can easily customize the gradient, color, speed, or even the shape by changing the border radius. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more web development tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.